Gemini 3 just made this for me. Voice AI agent on my website. I didn't even ask for it. Let's talk to it. Hey, can you tell me the time?
It's 6:57 p.m., Tuesday, November 18th.
Can you talk to me in Spanish?
Sí, puedo hablar en español. ¿En qué puedo ayudarte?
That's okay. Let's speak back in English. Can you tell me a quick joke?
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything.
I don't believe it. Literally, out of thin air, it created me a voice AI agent on my website fairly quick and talks multiple languages by the looks of it. So let's see how you can actually build it for your own website. Lovable's gone, Vappy's gone. You can deploy all this pretty much all for free, almost. All right, so let's get into it. I'm going to show you right now on how to do it. So go to the first link below and you'll get taken to here. And I'm going to show you the craziest prompt I put in before to create exactly what I created before. I said, create me a voice AI agent website. That's literally all I did. And I just selected Gemini 3 preview. You do need to be on the pro plan for this and have a project selected with a paid plan already active. But I'm just going to click on build. And I'm going to show you guys this insane shit. Okay, so it just ran for what, 78 seconds. It's finished. I'm going to click on allow and just see what it's cooked up. Okay, it's not looking as good as my other one, but what, I get to choose voices? Yo, okay, that's even cooler. Whatever. Let's start session. Hey, how are you?
Hey there, what's going on?
Yeah, I'm blown away. I don't know what to say. Bye.
I get it. Sometimes a lot can happen at once. Anything you're particularly curious about?
What the
Yes?
yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah, do you know the time? Do you know where you are? So I just had like a connection error, but whatever. Um, look, look what it did. It's like creating me a voice AI SAS in like 78 seconds. Okay, let's give some other voice a go. Hey, how are you?
Hey, I'm doing pretty well. How about you?
Yeah, doing good.
That's great to hear. Anything I can help you with today?
Yeah, I just built a voice AI agent in like 78 seconds.
Wow, that's impressive. Took me a little longer than that. Just kidding. What are you hoping to achieve with your new agent?
Yeah. I don't know, just talk to it and see what it does.
Cool. Well, I'm here to chat and answer any questions you have. What's on your mind?
Can you laugh for me? Can you make like a sighing sound? I have no idea what's happening. I didn't even know this was here. Okay. Now I'm just gonna tell it. Can you make it more like an agency website with this thing? Like we have here. So hero title, etc. I actually want to make it more into a website, so I'm just gonna pause this for a second, come back to you guys when it's done it. Okay, we're back. Nebula AI, next generation of voice intelligence. Try the interactive demo. It takes me to here. I really like this voice. Let's click on it. Hi, can you say something?
Yeah, sure. Hello there.
Dude, this is actually crazy. I'm losing my shit. I don't believe it. We spent like we spent so long creating these things and websites and stuff and trying to connect up like retail Vappy and go high level with this thing, with that thing. And this thing just did it in like 2 minutes. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to show you now how to grab what we have here to then to literally be your own website. and then you don't have to pay for anything except for your Gemini API keys. All right. So in the top left here, on the top right here, we have a few buttons. One of them is save to GitHub. Now, when I click on this, when I click on sign into GitHub, it does not allow me. I just keep on getting errors. So I don't know whether because I'm in Europe or because of the Cloudflare outage today. What I did then is I clicked on this button that says download app. I'll click on this. I'm going to save it to my folder where I keep all my cursor projects because I'm going to be opening up in cursor in a sec. So I'll click on save. You might have like a zip file in here. And what we want to do is just open that up. So now we have this. Just delete the zip file. And now we are going to go to cursor and open this up in cursor. So we click on open project, find the folder that we just downloaded, Nebula Voice AI Agent, click on that, open. Now we have this right here. We literally have our whole thing that are built for us. And from here, I will just recommend in the git ignore, just best practice, just go .env with a little asterisk and it'll basically any kind of API keys we have in here. We don't really have anything, but we're going to push that in later in the next part. So from here, you click on this little button, the little branch, click on initialize repo, just call it initial, commit, click on yes, type in initial, publish branch, publish GitHub to private repo, open on GitHub. Now we have our whole thing at GitHub. The beautiful thing is once we got it here, we can now open it up in Vercel. And Vercel lets us just deploy stuff so quickly. So we jump into Vercel, we click on project. We will now see this Nebula Voice AI agent that is created for us. We just click on import. We go to the environment variables. Let's go to our cursor. Let's just copy that over, paste that in, delete that one. We now just want to go to our Google section where we have all our API keys. I want to paste that into, right here. We click on deploy. You can ignore that one. But yeah, now it's done. We now click on continue to dashboard. Click on your link here. So Nebula Voice AI agent.vercel.app. There you go. We've got our website right here. I don't believe it. That's nuts. It's actually nuts. And let's just check and see if it actually works. Okay, that's a good sign. Hi, just checking if you work.
Hi there. Yep, I'm up and running. What can I help you with?
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, can you do like a laugh and a sigh for me, so that it makes sense in a sentence?
I can certainly make sounds. What kind of laugh and sigh are you looking for?
Yeah. Okay, that is absolutely nuts. Anyway, guys, there you go. So let's talk about like the back end, if you want to get into it. So what we're actually using was using this Gemini Flash native audio setup, and I believe the cost is like $15 together per 1 million tokens. Now I did some quick ChatGPT math. This is what it calculated for me. I don't know whether that's true. It seems a lot less because I just checked my API usage and it definitely didn't spike. And I've been testing it for like 20 minutes straight. The model that we're using for the audio to audio instead of the usual orchestration layer of text, of the speech to text to speech setup, they're just going straight to audio, sort of like the real-time OpenAI setup they had. So we're using this model right here. Yeah, 1 million output audio tokens. 1 million. Yeah, that's right then. Yeah, so it might be a little bit expensive or it might be really cheap. I'm still yet to test. So this is probably one thing we are not going to find out from this video. I'll release like an update soon and actually give you guys some tests and see how much it actually costs. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.